This is a pre-built version of the application. So let's go ahead and run it. And we need to create the database that this application will run against. And now we can run it. And we have not yet generated and stored any zero conflict schedules. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is one of them. Let's name it version 01. And let's display the schedule that we just stored. And let's generate and store another schedule. And we'll name it version 02. And here we can see both stored schedules, versions 01 and 02. Next, let's go ahead and exit. And we can see both stored schedules with zero conflicts. Now the source code will be available for download. Also a longer version that includes the coding and test running of the coded application will be available for watching by channel members at the senior developer level and above.